everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to allow notifications for TextMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, press and hold TextMe application. Tap on Info icon. Now onto this privacy section, tap on Notifications. Tap the switch icon in order to allow all the notifications for TextMe. And that is how you can easily allow notifications for TextMe. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.